welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making a fresh, naturally strawberry lemonade, okay? I love strawberry lemonade. Here at the house, they say, Mom, make an agua fresca with fresa and limon, but it's a strawberry lemonade, okay? So let's get started with it. So I will be needing about 14 strawberries, which we're gonna blend, and then I'm gonna need 4 of the limes, which we're gonna squeeze them, as well with half of the lemon. The other half, I sliced it up because we're going to use it to decor, as same as with the sliced strawberries. And we have some classic syrup, which I will do another video to show you how I did my classic syrup. This is something that I did 2 days ago, and this was my extra, so I'm going to use it today. And water as needed. I'm going to start squeezing the limes. Once we have our lime squeezed, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna put it through the strainer just in case we don't get no seeds, or go ahead and put our limes through a strainer just to make sure. I know they didn't have any seeds, but just to make sure, you know, for the pulp and all that. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, well, you know what? Leave it on here so I could do the lemon as well. This one does have seeds. I'm using both because this one helps it for like the acid from the other one. Now we're gonna put our strawberries into the blender. We're gonna add water, just enough to cover it. And we're gonna go ahead and blend this for like about a minute or 2. Just make sure everything gets blended nice and so once it's blended, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing and put it through the strainer just for the seeds and all that, the strawberry seeds. It smells very good. See, that way we don't put that in there. This time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add more water. And then the simple syrup, go ahead and pour some this. Pour a little bit, mix it, try it, and see how sweet you want it. And the water, it's how like thick you want it, because as you can see, the texture's a little thick, so we could add more water. More. I'll put the whole thing. It's like about 1 cup, because I had 2 cups and I used 1, so this is about 1 cup of the simple syrup. Perfect. If you don't want it too thick, then just go ahead and add more water. But this is what we're gonna do right now. So what I'm gonna do is put some strawberries, just so they could look cute and yummy. Throw some lemon. I'm not gonna put lime wedges in here. I did wash the lemon and everything, because if you put the limes, it does get a little bitter after you don't drink it right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to this one. I didn't add more water, even though it is a little thick, because I put ice, so then the ice will dissolve, it'll melt. Look how good this looks. Perfect for summer. Have a nice strawberry lemonade. And it's very, very delicious. And there you go. You have it. I have a little extra, so have a little bit more. There you go. They're all done. And very refreshing, very delicious. Nice and cold. So let's try this. Tastes very good. Hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe like all the other ones. Give it thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.